Today we're gonna bake a super moisty honey cake with an olive oil base, and also we will cook an easy but delightful honey sauce to saturate the ready cake. We begin by mixing together all dry ingredients in a medium-sized bowl with a whip. Put it aside and mix all the wet ingredients in a big bowl with a hand mixer or with a whip. To create a moisty and rich texture, we use olive oil, coffee, liquor, orange juice and vanilla extract. Don't forget about the eggs, one of the main construction materials for any biscuit. When wet ingredients are a little bit united, add cane sugar and white sugar, then mix them for 4 to 5 minutes. We will work with the flour in two parts. Add the first half of the flour to the wet ingredients mixture. Continue mixing with a hand mixer at the lowest speed until it's even. Then add the second part of the flour. Mix approximately 1 minute. By bringing the flour from the both sides to mix all the dough evenly. The consistency of the ready dough looks like a thick soup. Take a mold for bread and put baking paper on the bottom of it, like I do. It will be easier to remove the cake from the mold once it's cooked. Bake the cake for 15 minutes on preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and then reduce the temperature to 150 degrees and bake for another 35 minutes. The cake is ready when you insert a toothpick into it and the toothpick comes out without dough on it. Now let's make the honey sauce to soak the cake while it's still baking in the oven. First, melt together the butter with the honey and mix until it's even. We will use it warm, about 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Once the cake is done and out of the oven, we cover it with the sauce while it's still hot. Evenly distribute the sauce on the cake surface and let it cool down in the mold. I think it's super beautiful. When the cake cools down, you will see the sauce completely absorbed by Wow Beautiful. Look how easy we can remove the cake from the mold just by lifting it from the baking paper. Now we should move the cake to the plate without the paper. And it didn't go so easy because the paper stuck to the bottom. Anyways, you see I defeated the paper and now we're ready to cut the cake. You can see how tender and moist it is, and it's also super tasty. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the happy button, aka the like button, and enjoy!